Hey, what's going on? This is Reggie with AI with Reggie, and I just wanted to let you know I took the test this morning and I passed. I'm so excited. So this is like, just to let you know, this certification is just one certification of many that I'm getting. So that's why I'm so excited, because I knew that it was going to be hard. I knew that it wasn't going to be as easy as I projected it to be at first. But I'm so glad that I studied and got everything done. Just to give you a quick briefing of some of the things that I came across that was a little tricky. There are some Python questions in there. So I don't think that you need Python like to know it from detail, but you will need to know like some of the things that it asks. Like if it's asking for a particular code when you're doing speech synthesis and you have to put, it's missing one small component like audio.config or something like that. Just make sure you understand and know those small things. Understand all about the responsibility of AI and how important it is and how to utilize it. The terms, like there's some things that they try to mix you up when it comes to speech recognition versus speech synthesis. What's the difference? Like if we're talking about speech translation versus speech recognition, is completely different. So just make sure that you pay attention to every word that's in there, because sometimes you can read something and you think you know the answer, but just make sure that you read through everything. And by the way, if you don't understand something, you can always click on the button that allows you to go back when you're done, because at the end of the test you can go back to all the ones that you didn't do. For me, I recommend putting an answer in there and then going back, just in case you run out of time, because remember, everything is time sensitive. So I wanted to show you that, I'm just so happy that I finished this. I thought I didn't think I was going to pass at first. It was nerve wracking all this morning and all last night. I was sitting up just dreading to take this, because the AI system that I built, it was just so complicated. I think I overcomplicated it. I had a lot more information that I trained my AI training system on than I needed to. So it was going deep into Python and it was going deeper into things that I really didn't need. So I'm glad that I finally got it done, because I didn't think I was going to pass at first. It was getting kind of crazy. But as you see here, you have earned your Microsoft certified Azure AI Fundamentals certification. I noticed before I was saying Azure, I'm saying Azure now. I got to be professional. I got to say it correctly. Get a little mixed up with that. But anyway, I got the certification. Here's the certification also. And the best thing is that I created this website because I want to track my journey. Like the main purpose of me creating this is so I can track my journey. I know that AI is shifting. AI is shifting the world. Most people don't believe in it, but I believe in technology, and I know no matter how we look at it, time continues to move. And if we don't get prepared now and understand artificial intelligence, like we're going to be left behind. So there's going to be the people who wait to the last minute. And then there's going to be the people who are getting ahead, who recognizes all the opportunities and who's going to be the top of their world when it comes to this. So whether you're a consultant or whether you're an entrepreneur or whether you're working for the corporate field, I feel that getting the certifications is going to separate you from most people, because a lot of people are talking about AI, they're creating channels and stuff. But when you get your certifications, and they're legit certifications, like that's what's going to help you to stand out when it comes to this shift in this world. So what I did was, here's the first one I did already, of course, the Google AI Professional Certificate. When you click on it, it tells you about it, and then you can see the certificate I got. But then here is the AI Azure Fundamentals. So you go through it, then you'll see the certification. So now my next goal is going to be the Azure AI Apps and Agents Developer, the AI-103. Now with the AI-103, some people said that like it's pretty much, some people just did it back to back. They did the AI-901 and then they jumped right into the AI-103. When I look at this, it looks like it's going to take a little bit more time. So my goal with learning this is not just to take the certification and that's it. Like my goal is to really understand and know what I'm talking about. So one of the things that you're going to start seeing me doing is, because I've already vibe coded so many different projects back in the day, I have clients and I'm already out there. So when I go through these different platforms and I learn these different cross platforms, my goal is to actually put it into use case. So when it tells me to build something, I'm going to build something for a business, or I'm going to create something and then I'm going to post it so you guys can see exactly what I created. My goal is to make sure that I have hands-on experience. It's easy getting the certifications. I think, well, it's not easy. It's definitely hard. I'm not going to say it's easy. That's crazy work. But I feel that I just want to be able to show both. So this is my journey, everyone. I'm glad that you were able to see me pass this test. I didn't think I was going to pass. I would have still came on here. Even if I didn't pass, I would have still came on here so I can show you all that sometimes you don't pass. Like, failure isn't a failure until you give up. So even if I didn't pass, I was going to learn what I didn't do right. And then I would have retaught myself and educated myself so I can pass the next time. And that's how it's going to be with this next cert. This next cert, I don't think it's going to be easy, but I'm looking forward to it. But also, just to show you, my overall goal is not just the Azure 901, Azure 103. That's just the Microsoft platform. My goal is to learn as much about the Microsoft platform as I can. And then I'm going to jump over to the AWS. AWS Certified AI Practitioner. And then I don't think I'm just going to take that and jump directly into NVIDIA. I want to learn more about AWS. So I'm going to take this AWS cert, and then I'm going to take the one after that too. There's going to be another AWS cert, but then eventually I'll get to Databricks. I heard Databricks is amazing. There's not that many people who have the Databricks certification. So I definitely want to get that. Google Cloud Professional ML Machine Learning Engineer and AWS Certified Machine Learning Engineer. This is going to be a journey, everyone. I'm looking forward to the journey. I hope that you all like what I'm doing. If you can, just go ahead and follow and like and subscribe. If you're an aspiring entrepreneur or consultant or someone who's looking to get your certifications and who want to see a real person go through the real journey, the ups, the downs, the failures, I don't know what's going to happen. But what I will say is that I'm committing to this by putting these videos out here. I'm not a YouTube person. I'm new to this. Like, I'm trying to embrace this because I know if I put this out in the open, it's going to help me hold myself accountable. It's going to help me to make sure that I stay on track and I do get certified, because you know how busy this world is. You know how many things goes on. But when I come on here and commit and say, hey, this is the next cert I'm working on, or this is the next day that I'm taking a test, because I'm going to let you know exactly when I'm taking a test. Like, I know that you all are going to be watching. So that's what's kind of motivating for me. So thank you very much for watching this journey. I'm very happy that I passed the very first certification, the Microsoft certification, even though I got the Google certificate, but the Microsoft certification, I feel like it's a better accomplishment. And now I'm going to go to the AI-103. And I'll let you know how it is. So I'm going to start training. Once I start training, I will make some videos to let you know how complicated it is and see if it's similar to the other one. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to train my AI system to make sure it can teach me. So usually what I'll do is I'll go through the Microsoft, all the Microsoft training, look at the links, I'll copy all the links, and then I'll start training my system to pretty much grab as much data as it can and just help me to understand it. Then what I usually do is I make a prompt like, I want you to help me understand this, like if I'm a 10-year-old to a 12-year-old kid. So then it can break things down in a slower pace so I can truly understand. Yeah, and that's what I did for Python. Python, I do not understand Python, but what I did was I created a system that teaches me Python. And it taught me some of the things that were going to be on the exam. So when I did it, I said, hey, I want to know exactly what each line means in Python. If I click on this button, it tells me exactly what that is. That's the from code. This is what it does. And then it breaks it down. It tells you like, this is like making a call on a cell phone or something like that. So I made a cheat sheet for all the Python and then had AI break it down to me as far as not just knowing what the Azure test is going to ask, but I wanted to know how to type it in and what it actually does. So thank you very much. I really appreciate this journey. Like and subscribe. I will be posting more videos. I'm glad you're here. Thank you. I pass.